Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or even a computer, and whether you have an old Gmail and you want to create a new one, or whether you have never signed up for it, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that you need to create that Gmail. Now, again, on any device, let's open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. First, the step is we're going to go to google.com. Type in google.com and hit go. At the top right there, you can see I'm already logged into my account. It doesn't matter if you're not logged in or if you are. Tap on either your profile at the top right or sign in at the top right. In my case, I am signed in, so I'm going to tap on add account to the left. And there you can see is sign in. Instead, I'm going to tap create account. And it says for my personal use, for my child, or for my work or my business. In my case, I'm going to choose my personal use. Of course, choose whether you're doing it for a child or a business as well. Tap on first name and enter in your first name. And then you can choose to enter in your last name if you want, but I'm just going to tap on next. Next, enter in your birthday, so the month, the day, and the year. Tap on gender and enter in female, male, rather not say, or custom, whatever that may be. I'm going to just choose male in this case and tap on next. Next, you will choose an email address. If I type in something like Trevor, you can see if I tap out of it, tap on Trevor and tap out of it and tap next, you can see it says this username isn't allowed, try again. Your Gmail username, aka your Gmail email address, needs to be unique. No one else can have the same one in the entire world. So if that doesn't work for you, your first option, you might need to add in some numbers afterwards. So let's just add in some random numbers. Tap on next. Now we're good to go. No one else has that specific email. Tap to create a password, and you can choose to save and autofill a password, or you can just type in your own password that you might want to create. Tap on next at the bottom right. Now, enter in that if you want to save it. In my case, I'm going to hit don't save. And in this case, it says it wants to verify my phone number. So tap on send SMS at the bottom right. And it will open up with messages, essentially sending you a text message to verify your phone number to create that new account. After you go through all of this, all you need to do to be able to log in again is to go to google.com and then tap on the profile at the top right. If you're already signed in, you can just hit add an account and sign in. Or if you're not already signed in, just tap on sign in and use that email address and the password that you just created to log into your new Gmail account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.